Hey gang, stay tuned today because I'm going to bring y'all a product that is better than duct tape and baling wire combined. It's something I've used for years and you've never seen me review it. So I was fixing my old chicken water bucket. I could go spend $10 on one, but why? I mean, I did fix this a year ago, no, 2 years ago, and apparently I forgot and left it full the other night, and we got a hard freeze and it cracked again. So here I am back fixing my water bucket. But here's a product I want to bring y'all. And before we get started, hey, get down there and hit that like and subscribe button and hit that bell icon so you'll be notified every time I post a video. The product we're going to be looking at today is Through the Roof. This is a clear, I'm sure it has probably some silicone in it, but I really don't know what it's made of. All I know is the stuff works like gangbusters. I've sealed I don't know how many roof penetrations with this. I use it for all kinds of stuff, and as you can see, it's pretty thick, really heavy petroleum smell. And I'm really, like I said, I've got a crack in this bucket. I fixed this thing 2 years ago. Now if I let this sit there, this will level out because it's pretty warm today. It's supposed to be in the 70s today, so probably should have scuffed this up with some sandpaper or something. But this is a quart size, and you can get it on Amazon. I'll have a link to it below. To Amazon is the best place I found to get it. Price wise, it's always cheaper there. But this is a quart, and I think it's around $22 a quart. And the first time I used it though, I found it in a caulking tube. That's about $7-8 I think for a caulk tube size, and depending on what you need to use it for, it's great. Now I just spread that with a stick, as you saw. We got some, there it is. See, it's already flattened out there. The way I like to use this though is with a chip brush or old paintbrush. Cut the ends off, get it a little stiff, and this will spread very easily with a chip brush or old paintbrush, or even a new paintbrush if you want to waste the money. Another thing is that when you use this, you can most of the time get what you need done with one coat, but I always like to use 2 thin coats. I will go with a little thin coat around, like say a nail head, you know, I've repaired the screw heads on sheet metal roofs. Put one little coat on, come back later with a second thin coat. Okay, it's been a couple hours and this is pretty much set up. It's still, the thicker places like right here, it's still a little soft. But another thing I wanted to mention is, even if the surface that you're trying to seal is wet, this stuff will stick to it. And that's one of the things I love. I don't have to wait for my surface. If I'm on a roof sealing a roof penetration and it's raining, I don't have to wait for it to dry. I can just go ahead, get straight, apply this stuff, and it is sticky. The other thing is, if you're using it on a big area, you do want to use gloves. When you get it out of the caulk tube or the can right there, you get it on you, it's on you. I made that mistake the first time that I used it in the caulk tube, and I got it on my hands, like never got it off. Got it on my clothes. It's still on some of my jeans. So you really want to be careful, because this stuff will stick, and it sticks very good. And again, man, it's really better than duct tape for most everything. So anyway, not only is it good for Through the Roof, it's good for plastic water bowls for your chickens and anything else you need waterproof. Keep water in or keep water out. So anyway, hey, Donald for Blue Collar DIY. Check in the description below for the links to this to Amazon. I'll try to find the caulk tube stuff too. It's the same thing, just comes in caulk tube, but this stuff here is golden. Better than duct tape or baling wire. Trust me on this. As you can see, I've used a lot of it. So anyway, I'm out of here.